If you're a STEM student or educator, you won't like that there isn't a straightforward way to make, say, a 5x4 array of objects in PowerPoint. Here's a simple way to do it without any add-ons. First, let's draw a square. Hold the Shift key to make it square. Let's make the object transparent by setting fill color to no fill. Let's copy the object using Ctrl-C and paste it 5 times using Ctrl-V. Next, click on the background of the slide. Select all the objects with Ctrl-A. Then in the Shape Format ribbon in the Align menu, select Align to Slide. Then select Distribute Horizontally. This distributes the objects across the slide with equal spacing between them and the left and right edge of the slide. Next, select Align Top to move them to the top of the slide. Grab the corner tab of one of the objects with the left mouse button and drag the mouse to resize all the objects until their borders are aligned. Select them all with Ctrl-A and then group them using Ctrl-G. Now we can make rows. Let's copy and paste to make 3 copies with Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Select them all with Ctrl-A. In the Align menu, be sure Align to Slide is selected. Select Distribute Vertically. Notice that the horizontal boundaries are not aligned. Drag the corner of one of the groups until they are aligned. Then select Align Left. Be sure all objects are selected with Ctrl-A. Then ungroup all the objects with Ctrl-Shift-G. Select all the objects with Ctrl-A and group them as a single group with Ctrl-G. Now you can resize the entire group with the mouse, but notice that the squares become rectangles. So let's undo that with Ctrl-Z and press and hold Shift while resizing with the mouse to maintain squares and make the arrayed objects any size we want. Be sure to check out part 2 where I'll show you how to create a customized periodic table using this method.